Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Chit Chat. Today we will discuss about how we can repair our corrupted pen drive. So let's get started. Firstly, just insert your pen drive, and this pen drive says though no disk image available. So go to the pen drive and try to formatting. By formatting, let's try to fix it, but okay, just format, and it said Windows cannot format this disk. Okay, so format cannot happen, and so go to the search bar and type cmd and open the command prompt, and here type Diskpart. Okay, Diskpart, and now here you have to type the list disk, and here is open the two disk here. One is for our physical hard drive and one is for pen drive. And be careful selecting this disk, because if you select the hard drive, it will be cleaned. And now select the disk on and then clean it. Okay, now let's create partition disk. Now here we create the partition for primary uses. Okay, now let's select partition on. I will give those comments in my description, so easily you can find this comment. Okay, then activate, and okay, that's it. Now again just format it, and this time it worked. So now you can use your pen drive easily, and here you fixed it. So using this method you can easily fix. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. I will give this kind of content in regular basis. Thanks for watching.